Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Repair phase. 72 hours to 6 weeks. Full recovery can take up to 6 weeks or more. For a mild strain or sprain, most people feel better after a week or two of rest. You'll know your quad is healed when you no longer have pain and can move your leg through its full range of motion.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Small tears of the tendon can make it difficult to walk and participate in other daily activities. A large tear of the quadriceps tendon is a disabling injury. It usually requires surgery and physical therapy to regain full knee function. Quadriceps tendon tears are not common.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
What shouldn't I do if I have a pulled quad muscle? If you have pulled your quad muscle, then you should avoid any activities which increase blood flow to the injured muscle. These include hot showers, quad stretches, heat rubs, sports massage, consumption of alcohol and excessive activity.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons recommends using the Rice method for initial treatment of muscle strains in the thigh. The Rice method stands for R. Rest. Avoid walking, running, squats, and any activity that requires the leg to do too much work.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.